what are your tips for investors to help them sort through the noise? You know, so many, like I said, so many websites, so many talkers, so many channels.
Here are a few tips. First one, stay away from social media influencers. They're never there to help you. And we know that, because we're a company that measures that. We can tell you what is the performance of every one of them. Sure, you have some, if there's a trend like what happened with the meme stocks, or, you have some very trending companies, but put that aside. Like, never listen to someone you don't know with, a shady profile picture. The second tip that I have is that you need to invest for the long term. You need to, first of all, make a decision with yourself. Are you a trader or are you an investor? Because these are two very different things. So I'm focusing now, if you're a trader, you have your trading tools. It's going to be technical analysis, charts, and this and that. If you're an investor, you need to do two things. First of all, if you love investing and you're all about reading reports and, processing information, then you're in the right place. Just make long-term decisions and invest in good companies. Warren Buffett once said, I prefer to buy a good company at a reasonable price than a reasonable company at a good price. And that's something that goes with me. If you're not obsessed about investing, but you want to invest in the long term, buy the S&P. Don't even try to build a portfolio, because what's the point? You're not enjoying it. You don't really know how to do it. And the performance of ETFs are generally better.
And so someone who is neck deep in information, what is your best piece of investment advice?
To read it. If you have access to data. Look, if you're in it because you want to play, fine, go ahead, play. But if we're talking about your savings, if you're doing a big, important investment decisions, then don't underestimate it. It's a big decision. You're thinking 2 hours before you're choosing which movie you're going to see. And sometimes, people are going to spend 2 hours to choose, what they're going to see on Netflix, but they're going to spend 10 minutes to decide where they want to invest their future. And so I love information. Either summarize information that's important for you and make a decision. And if you don't want to go and buy, go buy the SPY or, another popular ETF and, let other professionals do the job for you.